All right, C3 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. The 25th anniversary year of the Corvette, 1978 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Original L82 car, 350 underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. As you can see, silver in color, 13 paint code. If you take a look at the paint, it does show its age some. It's a little chalky. When we take a look underneath the hood, you'll kind of see what I'm talking about. It's one of those cars, drive it the way it is, or maybe you want to take it to the next level. There's definitely been some engine work and some things underneath the hood done, and we'll check those out here in a bit. First of all, if you want to see the still pictures so you can see the underside, the interior, engine bay, check out the still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Any questions, feel free to ask. Polished wheels, those are looking good. Good looking wheel in this body style. All right, let's take a look up and down the passenger side. Black interior, bucket seats, center console, of course. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You'll be able to see pictures with the T-tops on and the T-tops off into the still pictures. It does have newer dual exhaust. See the tips back here. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. AC blows cold, folks. Power windows work. Text noted the brakes are 90% or better at all four corners. Take a look down this driver's side. If you like Corvettes, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. We get pretty much every model in at one time or other. Unique Classic Cars. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. You can see some areas, there's decent shine to the paint, but again, just chalky in the hood. There's a few spots where it's a little bit flatter. Hey, have some fun, drive it the way it is. We're gonna let you hear it run. We're gonna check underneath the hood. I wanna definitely show you underneath there. And we'll take it for a drive at the very end of this video so you can see how it goes down the road. Kind of take a virtual ride, if you will. You can see door panels look good. Lost my pen. Get that back. All right, bucket seats, leather buckets. A little bit of wear on the bolster there, but not too bad. And you'll be able to look at the interior and all the still pics too. Like we have tilt and telescoping column or steering wheel there. Odometer reads 48,802. I cannot confirm or deny actual miles just due to the fact once the car is a certain age, it's marked exempt in the title. I don't have paperwork from when it was new, so I can tell you what it reads. Tachometer's working, and you can also notice it fires right up. Again, has had engine work, and it looks good under there. So, oil pressure, it's like battery, fuel gauge, temp, that was a cold start, and tech did note the clock wasn't working. I haven't played around with the stereo a whole lot. Stereo working. Heat and AC controls, and of course automatic. All right. What headlight doors? Those, look at that. Working good. I believe those are still vacuum too. Let you get a little listen. Again, newer exhaust. Check it out in the underside pics. Nothing too crazy over the top as far as exhaust. All right, let me pause this 1 second. I want to get this hood open. We're going to check out that engine bay. We'll wrap up this walk around and let Jason take it for a drive. All right, and engine bay. Here's what I was talking about. Look at this. Edelbrock intake with a quadrajet 4-barrel on there, HEI ignition, aluminum radiator added. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Kind of like I said, drive it like the way it is, or if you want to get new paint on there eventually, you can do that too. '78 C3. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1978 Chevrolet Corvette. This car, T-top equipped. Always a fan of T-tops. Great thing to have if your car had it as an option. It's just a bonus feature. Another great thing about this car, the AC is blowing cold. So take it out on a summer day and don't sweat it. Very nice acceleration. This car accelerates quicker than I thought it would. Nice throttle response. Tight steering. This is an automatic right here on the center console. We got power windows. Our temperature gauge is reading about 190, which is right where it should be. Fuel gauge a little under 3/4. There is a clock right here in that. Do not see the second hand ticking, but it is clock equipped. Oil pressure showing about 65, and the battery is charging over 14 volts. Speedometer working as it should. Large face tack right there in the dash, working as it should. Wipers work as well. The factory radio is working as it should, and there is an 8-track player in there. I have not tested the 8-track player, but the FM is working as it should. Also in the glove box is a rack for storing our 8-tracks. There's the kick down on that automatic transmission. Now this car cornered nice and tight. If I didn't know better, I'd think there was some suspension work done, or it's just very well maintained. Nice looking bucket seats in this Corvette. Comfortable, easy to drive, lots of fun. Take a look at all the pictures and learn anything you want to know about this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.